Hello everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I'm back for another day of December Daily. It is day 13, also my son's birthday. And if you remember in the beginning, I thought I would put together another grid board with all the pretty, actually this one doesn't go with it, with all the papers that came in this one paper pad, so they would be very coordinated and matching. So that's what I'm going to do today, and then we'll do a focal point of some kind. I was thinking I might put one of these on there, but I'm not sure it'll look good. It's such different colors, but maybe it will look good. I don't know. We'll find out. So this is apparently too big, obviously too big, but we've got, I'll start with the stars. And I'm going to put it this way, and remember I'm leaving a little edge of white around each piece. So, and I don't want each piece to be the same, so I'm going to cut this one right here at this little line. I don't think you need to see me cutting on camera either, so the main thing is I need to stop moving my book around so that we stay on camera. I have a habit of just moving a little bit too much. Oh, I need to cut off just a teensy bit there. Just a teensy. Of course I didn't do it straight. Let's try that again. That's better. Okay. Oh, it's upside down. I see the G clef is upside down. We don't want that. Alright, hopefully I'm doing this straight because I'm coming at it from an angle. Alright, now, how about a strip coming this way? What have we got here? Definitely want the houses, but I might cut it off like here. I think I will. And I still have that. What can I do for the house, coming this way? Maybe I'll just do this strip here coming this way. Let's try that. That will go there. And we kind of want it to match up with this one. So I'm going to cut that off right there. I'm trying to keep everything matched up and nice and neat. Alright, we'll glue this one on now. Oh, there we go. I hope you're all doing well. I'm having a real struggle with what kind of world I'm going to be leaving to my kids and grandkids. I know it's kind of ridiculous and morbid, but that is where I'm at, worrying about the state of our world. Alright, going to cut this other one with the house scene where I wanted it. Yeah, that's not going to match up now with anything, so let me put it down somewhere else. Alright, I had such a small acorn one in the other, my other journal, that I want to have a bigger one here, but not too big. This seems to be the perfect size this way, but I want to cut it off right about here. So we'll do that. And I feel like I should cut all my pieces and then come back and put them up, because I can tell this is going to take forever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all my pieces cut up and then come back and put them all together. Alright. Alright, so I believe I have my layout set up, but I'm kind of mad at myself because I had wanted to ink the edges in green and I forgot to do that. So that won't be happening, unfortunately. but I think it'll still be pretty. And we're going to put this one here. Should be down a little, actually. Not quite perfect. Oh well. I decided to use 2 houses because that's my favorite. So we'll put that here. Whoops. It's going to go here. And I had ended up cutting the acorns just a little bit too small for the spot, so I ended up having to use this instead and put the acorns down here. Alright, so this one's next. I don't seem to be getting my corners very well glued. Let's get that in. There. That's good. And the house goes here. I don't want to lose my little pieces. Alright. Okay. I'm going to have to be picking up my son from college. I think it's Saturday. So that'll be nice. He'll be home for about a month. But knowing him, just like he has every year, he does school online for the winter. For the semester. He takes it's a shorter semester, so he can get done faster. So that's what he does. He does not fool around. He's very serious about his education. He's not like a college partier at all. But he has fun. I mean, he has friends and he goes out and does things, but he takes his work seriously. He didn't go to college to party. Let's put it that way. Okay, we'll put that there. I feel like I need more glue on this side. Let's do that. And I remember when one of my other sons was the same way. Alright, so now I have to remember what I had. This was down here. Yeah, so my other son, one of my other sons, was very serious about his education too, and he got a girlfriend in his first year, and he brought her home to visit, and actually it was Bethany's birthday, and he brought her to Bethany's birthday party, and she made fun of him because he was the only other student that actually studied. Well, she didn't last long as his girlfriend, I can tell you that. She was nice, she was cute, but she was obviously there to party. This seems like it doesn't match. I think I cut that wrong. And then I had this here, or I had it placed wrong, I don't know. But this one's going here, and that little tiny one went there, but now I don't see it. Was a little piece of green, and it's, oh, here it is. That's good. I can cut that one again. Oh, I feel like I just messed up a little bit here, though. This will go here. Not exact. Oh well. And then, like, see, I didn't cut that right. I don't like that. This should be all the way out. Maybe? Yeah, that should be all the way out to the other. I'm going to have to do that again. That's too small too. I have to rethink my strategy here. I think I've come up with a plan here. We're going to put this little tiny one right there. It's like green snow. It's the part of this. That's going to go right here. And we're going to put this strip right over here. And And I think we need a little more on there. Okay, that's going to go, we'll line that up with that. And then this is going to go, let's move this up a tad bit. Okay, needs some more on the end here. Okay, and I think that ends good. And then this is going to go right here. So I am annoyed with myself for not inking, for forgetting to ink around each piece with some green. I think that would have looked really pretty, but it's too late now. So that's going to go there. And now we're done with that part. And I think I'm just going to put a 13 in the middle. I don't think I'm going to do, or actually I'll put a 13 up here, and I'm probably going to do it in black if I have the numbers, because I don't think white's going to show up. So that's 13, a 3, I don't know if I have a 1. Probably don't. Do I? I do. All right. So, and then I'm just going to do my son's birthday post privately. Maybe show it to you when I'm done with his face covered up, because I don't know if he really wants to be, I don't know if he wants his picture on camera. So we know to protect his identity and his privacy. Now, I said that I was going to put an image in the middle, but I don't want to cover anything up. That doesn't look good. I really don't think any of these are going to look good either. So, I think for now we're just going to call it a day, and if I find something, some kind of image I want to put in there as a focal point, I'll show you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I am so glad you joined me, and I hope you are having a great day and that you're happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.